everybody, my name is Sarah, and the July 2022 release of VS Code is out. There are tons of new features, especially for Python users, and I want to take a look at one real quick that makes it easier to get started with Jupyter Notebooks in VS Code. Let's check it out. So if you haven't installed VS Code before, you can always go to code.visualstudio.com and select the right version for your operating system. You can also find it on most of your favorite package managers. Once you get VS Code downloaded and set up, or maybe you already have it, you can go ahead and just open a Jupyter Notebook that you may have on your machine or that you've downloaded to work with some colleagues. Once you have it open, you can select the kernel in the top right here, just like you would in Jupyter Notebooks or Jupyter Lab. And the new feature is it helpfully suggests some extensions that you can install to make using Jupyter Notebooks in VS Code better. So you can see here extensions like Jupyter and Jupyter Keymap, Python, Pylance. These are all going to make it way easier to work with Jupyter Notebooks in VS Code. And I should note this also works when you're making a new notebook. So this is just one such feature from the July 2022 release. My colleague Jay will be talking about the inlay type hints. You can check out his video here as well. But what kind of editor are you using for your Jupyter Notebooks? Let us know down in the comments, and to keep on top of all the other cool features of VS Code for Python users, make sure to follow the Visual Studio Code team on Twitter @Code, and check out more videos here on youtube.com/code.